ഇത് ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്താൽ മതി. ഓക്കെ
Okay, sir.
So, actually, I can't understand your language.
So
What shall I do?
go and learn our language. What else?
But sir, how can I learn a new language altogether?
Well, if you can't learn our language, then let me work with the staff who can understand my language and who can understand me. Okay, so just chill. Hello.
Sir, my name is not on the list for Corporate Summit of London.
Yeah, I know. Budgets are a bit tight this time.
But sir, I have worked really hard for this project.
Yeah, I know. I remember that, but somehow it's not happening this time. I did try for you, but not possible this time.
But sir, Sheena is also going and she has no clue about the project.
But Sheena is a bit personal thing. Me and Sheena are going around and she really wanted to come, so I couldn't say no to her.
But sir, this is not fair.
Yeah, I know, but I'll make it up to you. Don't worry. Next time you'll be going, okay? And I think I'm getting another call. I'll talk to you in a bit, okay?
I think this company is going on a good shape and
Wait, it's not shape, it's shape.
Okay, ma'am.
Continue.
In the ongoing process, we shall reach.
Wait. Who has hired you? Boss, listen. This Dehati accent won't work here. So, you just get out and send Rohit in.
But ma'am, my reports.
Just get out and send Rohit in.
Okay, ma'am.
Today's story is about corporate discrimination. Somehow, somewhere, we all have faced it, and it is one of the most underrated topic. Let's see how to tackle it in the flip side of the story.
So, I'm completely fine you giving preference to employees from your state, but at the same time, you can't create a discriminatory environment for me.
Discrimination? What discrimination are you talking about?
So, I hope you understand that working in a different state, a new company, it's already so difficult for me. So, if the language could be neutral, I could at least feel at some ease. I could feel a part of this company and work better.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
So this is the one which we have to do. Okay.
Listen, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I won't be able to accept this.
What?
Sir, I have worked really hard for this project, and after all, these office expenses are not for your personal leisure.
Oh yeah. So what are you going to do about it?
In that case, I won't be able to continue with this project.
See, you can't leave this project. This is really important for us. And you can't leave like this.
Okay, then my name should be on the list. I deserve this, sir.
Okay, I'll see to it.
Thank you, sir.
But ma'am, my reports.
Just get out and send Rohit in.
Ma'am, I come from a very small village and English is not my mother language. Still, I have learned it properly, but my pronunciation is not that good. But you will never find any grammatical mistake in me. If you find any mistake in my work, you can throw me out of this office. But ma'am, please don't discriminate me on how I speak.
I'm really sorry. My apologies. Please continue.
Thank you, ma'am. So I think
Corporate discrimination and favorism is one of the slow poisons in our society. It's hardly visible but very strongly present in corporate scenarios. It is one of the silent reasons which increases pressure, stress and insecurity amongst employees. We crib about it, cry about it, feel bad, but after some time accept it, and that should not happen. Discrimination in any format is equally harmful. Say no to corporate discrimination. That's it for this story. See you next Friday. Khuda Hafiz and stay positive.